I have been co-designing with kids for over 2 decades.
15 years.
15 years.
16 years.
7 years.
16 years.
20 years.
Almost 30 years.
As a designer, I have stopped trying to control design.
Design isn't this sort of authoritative way of implementing things. It needs to be much more collaborative.
To be a good designer, you need to almost have a co-design mentality. And I think I'm a much better designer now because of that.
I've learned extra patience, more respect, more kindness.
It's made me a much more creative person, but a collaboratively creative person.
I personally love co-designing with kids because they remind me how to find joy and play in every possible moment.
Learning about co-design and how you can listen to children's voices has really shown me the power of children and how amazing they truly are. And I cannot imagine now not talking to a child about how to do something that was going to impact them eventually.
I believe that co-design is much more than creating the next widget. I believe co-design is about how we learn, how we change ourselves, how we feel heard.
It changed my life.